Hi, today we're going to be assembling your Bluebird nest box. Your kit contains all of the wood pieces plus the screws and the nails that you need. So the only tools that you're going to have is a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it has the Phillips point on it. If you have one, a drill with a Phillips point is really handy. It makes the work go a lot faster and a lot easier. You're also going to need a hammer just to drive the nails. All of the pieces are marked, so as you can see, the markings or the labels are all on the smooth side of the wood. So as you assemble it, make sure that the labels and the smooth side are on the inside of the box. We're going to start out by attaching the floor and the left side. And so what we're just going to do here is what am I doing? There we go. I'm going to take and get these screws started. Have somebody help you hold the wood in place to keep it nice and flush so that everything fits together the way it's supposed to. I like to start one screw and kind of get the wood into place and then start the other one rather than tighten them up. And once I get this going, I'm going to finish up using the drill so the work goes along a little bit faster and easier. Okay, there. We've got our, see how nice and snug that gets? We do the same thing on the top here. There we go. The next part is going to be attaching the back to the pieces, and in order to do that, let's see, this is the left side, so it's going to go like so. There is a line here, and you're going to take that line, and that's going to line right up with the edge of the floor. So I always just put my finger on that line and then move it right up into position there so that everything is lined up the way it should be. We're nice and straight there, just like we want to be. Next, we're going to add the front. The front has got those marks or the grooves here so that the young birds can climb out when they're ready to fledge. And we're going to take and just line it up like this. Put our screws in. Make sure we're flush all the way around again. The top. And the top is going to go right like this. The last piece that gets added is the right side, and the right side is different from the left side because the right side is going to be hinged. So it's going to be put on with nails rather than screws. One thing I should add is make sure as you assemble this that you're getting the holes on the top. Those are the breathing holes. So what we're going to do is put the door in here, like so. Oops, that nice, just where we want it. And now, take a nail. Got to be a little bit fussy about this. Get it just right. There. That's got it. One on the front. One on the back. And the last nail is going to be the one that goes here, and that one we're not going to drive in all the way. As a matter of fact, we're just going to tap that in a little bit, pull it back out so it's loose. Maybe do that twice even. And the reason for that is you're going to want this one to actually be able to go in and out, because that's what's going to hold this door shut. And then when you go to clean the box out in the spring, you just pull this nail out and you pull it up here. So that takes care of that. And now, let's see, the only thing we have left to do is I usually like to put one more screw right here in the back to hold the lid on nice and tight. And there you go. There's your Bluebird nest box.